This is a pre-built version of the application. So let's go ahead and open up three command prompts, and let's cd to the directory where we have our code. And set the path to where Python is. And we'll have the server running here, and both clients here and here. And we'll use this test data. So we'll have Alice here, and P is this prime number, and this is the cyclic group generator alpha. And we'll have Bob here, and he'll pick B is 57, and Alice will pick A to be 228, and we end up with this shared secret key 206 mode 467 for Alice and Bob. And here we are doing a deterministic encryption scheme, and what that means is, let's say we send this message from Alice to Bob, and if we send it again, so we end up with the same ciphertext for a given plain text and key, even over a separate execution of the encryption algorithm. So we have here and here. And examples of deterministic encryption algorithms includes RSA without encryption padding, and deterministic encryption can leak information to an eavesdropper who may recognize known ciphertext. So this project is a precursor to El-Gamal algorithm prototype project, which also uses or is based on Diffie-Hellman and uses multiplicative masking, but it is a probabilistic encryption scheme, so we would not see the same ciphertext for the same message. Now the source code will be available for download. Also a longer version will be available for watching by all channel members, and it will include the coding and the test running of the coded application.